My name is Sushmita Das. I had contacted Professor Sunil Agrawal 5 years ago with the problem of my lips. That time, my lips were completely chapped. They were so chapped that I had almost lost shape of my lips. सब फटके ऐसा हो गया था कि पता ही नहीं चलता था कि कहाँ पे लिप बाम लगाएं कहाँ नहीं लगाएं. And so the doctor in Singapore had suggested that I start taking some steroid based creams. So every time I would use the cream in the morning and the evening, I would be okay or healing. But even one day that I skipped that cream, it would come back, and it would come back as a much bigger problem. So I contacted Professor Agrawal, and all he asked me was, show me your tongue and send me a picture of your foot. And then he said, call me 10 minutes later. So when I called him 10 minutes after, simply by mapping of the foot and by seeing the tongue, he practically told me all my medical problems. Before I could tell him that I was suffering from this, he could tell me that I had fatty liver, that I was not able to metabolize fat, my kidneys were weak, and how this lip problem was actually a severe case of constipation. And from the bad lip condition, he could also diagnose that I was suffering from severe piles problem. And he gave me a few points to apply, and within 3 days the chapped lip disappeared. And the trick was, he gave me a diet tip from his website. He advised me to follow a pre-breakfast drink, and that changed me completely. And it is 5 years later, I that lip condition never came back. I In these last 5 years, I have never taken any laxative also to pass the stools. So thanks to Professor Agrawal, I'm feeling I'm feeling great, and so many problems have solved. The fatty liver has reduced, the kidneys are healing. It is all thanks to Professor Sunil Agrawal, his diet tip, and the Sketchman points he gave.